Hi guys, in this class we will discuss another PHP problem. This is a chapter number 8 that is related to loop. In this chapter discuss different loop used in PHP programming language. So in this class we have discussed a PHP problem that is related to loop. Write a PHP program to generate 1 to 10 only odd and even using for loop. So I have generated number even and odd number that will be from 1 to 10 range number. So I want to save this file uh, in exam docs PHP problems and new folder chapter 08. Inside this folder this is a problem number 1 PHP. So now I have to get a HTML basic structure chapter number 8 and problem number 1. Problem number 1. Just I want to cut this line and paste it in a comment section. So write a PHP program to generate 1 to 10 only odd and even number using for loop. So using for loop I have to generate number from 1 to 10 only odd number. So for that reason what I have to do, in a body of HTML write a PHP tag. Inside PHP tag I have to write syntax of for loop. For loop you have to type for keyword and parenthesis and curly braces. This is the basic syntax of for loop, but in parenthesis you have to declare some things. For example, a variable initialization starting number will be 1 and semicolon. Condition is that I should be less than or equal to 10 and then semicolon, and then I want to say that I value should be increased every time. Increment operator you have to use. In the body of the for loop what I have to do, I have to echo this I. Number will be generated from 1 to 10. This is a actually chapter number 7, but I need to open this chapter number 8 problem 1. You can see that from 1 to 10 number displaying, but I need only odd number from this range. For that reason what I have to do, I have to make a condition. If I modulus 2, when we divide that number that is ranged from 1 to 10 by 2, and if its remainder is equal to 0, it means that number will be even. For example, I means number from 1 to 10. I value maybe 1, 2, 3 up to 10. For example, if I value is 1 and divide by 2 and its remainder is equal to 0, it means that this is a even number. For example, but in this case this is not a even number. So in this case, another example I want to say that 2 modulus 2. Modulus operator is used to return remaining value after division. So after division value will be a 0, that will be remainder or remaining value. So when I value is 4 and we find its modulus with 2, so remaining value will be 0 after division. So in this case when I value is for example 1, 2, 3 up to 10 and we will find its modulus with 2, and if its remaining value after division is 0, it means that number will be even. But I would say that its value should not be equal to 0. If value is not equal to 0, it means that its value is coming to 1. For example, I want to give you another example. If number is 5 and modulus with 2, so its remainder will be 1, because 2 multiply with 2 4 and its remaining number will be 1. For example, another number is a 7, and modulus with 2, its remaining number will be 1 after division. Up to 6 it will work. So in this way I have to get all the odd number. So I modulus 2, if their remainder or remaining number is not equal to 0, it means that I have to got that number, display only that number. So that number will be odd one. Just refresh, you can see that 1 3 5 7 9, only odd number displaying. But I need to display all this number on a every number should be displayed on a new line. So I have to use a line break of HTML. Refresh this one, you can see that. You can also make this number bold, or you can bold this number. I can bold this number. Just use a HTML tag bold. You can see that this number now bold. So another, this is a odd number list. I can display only even number list. How I can do this one? Just copy this one, paste here, backstab echo. I need a line break, and then you can see that if their remaining or remainder is not equal to 0, it means that number will be odd. If equal to 0, it means that number will be even. For example, this is a 6 and we find its modulus with 2. After division, remaining number will be equal to 0. It means that that number will be even. So I need that number. So that number will be even, that will display in a list. And enclosed line 13. Line 13. So its closing should be here. Now refresh this one. 2 4 6 8 10 1 3 5 7 9. These are the odd number. Sorry. This is chapter number 8, problem number 1. So these are the odd number, these are the even number, displaying using for loop. So you can also write a statement. For example, just display here odd number, and here you can write even number. Refresh this one. So just you need to put here a line break. Not here. Here you have to use a line break to enter first number on the new line. You can see that. This is a problem solution of this problem. If you want to improve your PHP programming skill, you can get more exercises. So if you have any confusion, any problem while learning with us, you can discuss with me without any hesitation. Thank you.